morning, you guys. I went today to the office, the manager's office, because they were charging me like $50 extra overnight. I said, why? So it was a mistake, thank God. But right now I'm starting my day, and I woke up in so much pain this morning. I can barely stand. Like, I just want to lay down all day. I have no energy. So I'm gonna have my breakfast, and I'm going to take a pill. Hopefully that will help. I'm just waiting for this video, day 1, to finish uploading. Yes, it took all day. I just want to move out of this house already, get a place with better internet, because here it sucks. It's so hard to be a YouTuber in this city. For breakfast, I'm having a chia bliss smoothie, and it's pretty good. I had a little more water than they told me to add. It has a really fresh flavor, and it's nice in the morning. I've noticed that if I have the smoothies in the mornings, it gives me a lot of energy. I don't know if it's just something in my mind, but like I feel energized and I just want to do more things, which is good today because I have a lot of things to do because I work tomorrow. I gotta start getting ready because I have a call. So that's that.
Here, look.
Oh my god, I'm not gonna lie, today the cravings are bad. Like, I just want all the bad things that I can have, and that's playing tricks on my mind because I'm thinking, oh, I'm hungry, I want to eat this, when in reality it's just I'm full. Like, I just had my filling. I had a bar, it was delicious, by the way, and it's just like I feel like my mind is struggling with the idea of not having what I want or what it wants. Like, it wants like all the bad stuff, like enchiladas and all the Mexican food. Like, oh, I just want to have enchiladas right now, but I'm not hungry. So it is like, it's more of a want than I really need. So I'm just trying to push through this, and I know it'll go away. I'm drinking my water. I'm trying to drink as much water as I can, and I think that was the issue because I had my breakfast and I didn't drink more water. So I just allowed my body to get distracted by the fact that my stomach was kind of empty, I guess. Oh, not empty, but it wasn't completely full, so I needed to drink water to hydrate more. And now I'm like pushing through. I think my next one is till like in 2 hours, so that's very challenging for me to be able to just not give in and stick to it. But you know what, I have to. I don't want to keep suffering from back pains and have to be taking like 3-4 medications. If you know me at all, you know I hate taking medications. It's like me having to just swallow a pill. It's not for me, never has, never will. Like, I know my body can heal itself unless it's something major, but like a back pain shouldn't be such an issue. So I'm just like hanging there. I'll get through this, and just, you know, I'm gonna start working. I'm gonna get distracted right now, so I'm not thinking about food, and I'm not thinking about all the things that I'm not allowed to have. So that's how it has to be, so I can get all skinny. I'm just fine, so I can lose the weight and be healthy and happy. To be honest, with this one, I feel a lot more energy, and I'm not moody, as you can tell. Like, I'm just happy. The meals, I thought they were gonna taste like cardboard and they were gonna be like nasty, but so far I think 4 out of 5 are good for me. Like, I don't like peanut butter, So that's my, like, one of the issues I've had. But the peanut butter wasn't bad. I really love the peanut butter bar. It's just me, I guess. But other than that, everything's been good. The pasta I had last night, I don't know if I recorded. I probably did. It was good. It was delicious. It was a small portion, but I had saved one of my greens, so I had lettuce with it, and it was like having Italian food. So it was delicious. Oh my god, this cat loves attention. So yeah, this is day number 3. So I'm pushing through it. I got this. I'm gonna get through the day. I've been able to keep myself busy. Link just woke up. I gotta fold those diapers. But I'm recording a tutorial right now, right here, and this is what I'm doing. I'm just trying to do things so I don't have to worry about it. I'm gonna start making dinner in a little bit, and I think I'm gonna make steak with vegetables, either mushrooms, green beans, I don't know. I'm just gonna finish this before the natural light goes away, because if not, the videos look a lot crappier. So I really need to get doing that before. I wanted to record an invitation as well. I don't think I'm gonna have time, because it's already what, like 2:30. So the light will start like kind of getting yellowish, and it doesn't look good in the videos, and I don't know how to edit that on iMovie yet. So I'm just gonna go and work with the time I have. Dinner is ready, and Link is like, give me my food. So I just want to show you real quick what the meal consists of, and it didn't take what it took, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes to make this meal. Like you haven't been home that long, huh? So it was pretty simple to make. This is Avery's plate with his salad, because he has to have 3 portions of vegetables, which is 2 portions here, 1 in the salad. And I have zucchini, the bell peppers, and mushrooms. So that is why. And also, this is Link's plate. So he has pretty much the same thing, just I added tortilla and cheese for him.
So, Link kind of had an accident. Kind of a bad, not like super bad, but he freaking pooped everywhere, man!
Look at his legs.
You can't even see that well. But it's pretty nasty and green.
We can start recording. I'm gonna toast him and then I'm gonna eat my last thing. Well, no, I think I still have another one. So it's a chocolate brownie. Yay. Yeah. Yeah. Really?
I'll have my next few at 10, my last one.
Okay.
I have, what did I have? What did I eat this morning?
Let me see if I can put you here. Está poner aquí, mira. Está bien rico. No sé si pueden apreciar, pero está esponjosito.
Oh, hi. What you doing, good looking?
It's pretty good.
Coffee. He gets upset.
Avery's brother just left, so we're gonna say goodnight. We were just talking to him for a while, and now it's time to go to sleep, because we gotta wake up early and do a bunch of things tomorrow. I work tomorrow, so it's gonna be different, especially with all the meals and trying to figure out how to work that out. What you doing? Thank you for watching. Good night.
Good night.
You're gonna say good night? That's why you cover yourself up?
Oh, sorry.
He's naked.
Good night. Oh, I look skinny.
Good night, guys.